The Gusi Peace Prize is known as the Asian counterpart of the Nobel Peace Prize, an Asian foremost awards-giving body with the Presidential Proclamation 1476 was mandated before by no other than President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo as an Asian institution, a Philippine pride, and Asia's world foremost, despite of the fact that I'm traveling in different nations to nominate who are among the 18 laureates of the Gusi Peace Prize for 2025 in its 40 years. The very first time that we were able to have in the Gusi Peace Prize 2025, winner will be representing the Republic of the Philippines, Mindanao, from the very beautiful city of Marawi with a Muslim background through the person of Governor Maminkaw Alonto Adjun.
The nomination of the Gusi Peace Prize International reminds me that the essence of the leadership is not about titles or recognition. It is about impact, the lasting change we make in our lives of others. The work we do must not just solve immediate problems, but should aim to create enduring peace and opportunity for future generations.
He will be receiving the Gusi Peace Prize International Awards for peace for his untiring effort to work for people's amelioration, not only through his political leadership, not only for his humanitarianism, but his love for his people and his homeland, and now will soar the city of Marawi.
As I accept this honor, I commit once again to the values that have guided me, to work tirelessly for the peace, to promote justice, and to dedicate myself to the welfare of every individual. My hope is that this nomination serve not as end, but as an invitation to each of us to continue striving for Lanao del Sur, warm, and a word where the peace is not just a concept we discuss, but reality we live. Thank you very much. May peace guide us all. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.